In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get logarithmic chart on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch your chart to a logarithmic scale and why it can make a big difference when analyzing price action over long periods or large moves. First, a quick bit of context. A logarithmic chart, often called a log chart, changes how price is spaced on the vertical axis. Instead of showing equal distances for equal price changes, it shows equal distances for equal percentage changes. That means a move from 10 to 20 and a move from 100 to 200 are treated the same visually because both are 100% increases. This view is especially helpful when you're looking at assets that have multiplied in value or when you want to evaluate trends on higher time frames without the early data getting squashed. Here's the fastest way to turn it on. With your TradingView chart open, move your cursor over to the price labels on the right side of the chart, where prices are listed vertically. Right-click directly on those price labels. In the context menu that appears, select Logarithmic. The instant you choose it, your chart will switch to a log scale. You'll notice that price spacing on the axis adjusts. Higher prices compress a bit, and lower prices spread out, making percentage-based moves easier to compare visually. If you're scanning a long history or a parabolic trend, this view often reveals structure and trend lines that are harder to see on a regular or linear scale. There's also a quick keyboard shortcut if you prefer to keep your hands on the keys. On most keyboards, you can press Alt+L to toggle the logarithmic view. Make sure your chart is active by clicking anywhere on it first, then press Alt and L together. This is handy when you're switching perspectives during analysis without breaking your flow. If nothing seems to happen, double-check that the chart window is selected and that no other application is capturing that shortcut. A couple of practical tips as you use it. If trend lines or channels look slightly different after switching, that's expected. Because the vertical scaling changes, angles and distances will adjust to reflect percentage movement. This can actually help you draw more meaningful trend lines on assets that have grown significantly, and that's all there is to it. Right-click the price labels and choose Logarithmic, or use the Alt+L shortcut. Try both methods and pick the one that feels most natural in your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, more insightful charts with the logarithmic view.